Okay.
Hello YouTube, how y'all doing? I wanted to show you the extent of my Pantera P6 build as of now. I've got my tail boom assembly assembled with the tail belt installed and the boom supports.
Where's the belt? Is it sticking out?
Yeah, this right here.
Oh, look at that. There it is.
Yeah, and if you see, you can turn. You want to make sure that all the bearings, these blade grips have two radial bearings and a thrust bearing. You want to make sure that they turn smooth. And well, first I want to show y'all real quick. It's important to use Loctite. On all these screws. So when you get a new kit, helicopter kit, these screws have oil on them from the manufacturing process. So you want to pour some 91% or alcohol, rubbing alcohol in a cotton ball and really clean those threads before you use Loctite if you're screwing into metal. If you're going metal to metal, you want to have Loctite on your threads. But let me show you. This is a tail rotor hub, and you want to oil or grease these bearings. So let me show you. This is a nice tool to have. This is called a greaser, and I like, when I'm building a helicopter, I like to grease my bearings. So what you do is pretty simple. You just take a radial bearing, and the grease is going to be forced between the dust shield. So you're going to drop it in your bearing. I'm not going to do the whole process here, but the idea is that you push down on the bearing and you're going to see oil, or grease, I'm sorry, come up through the bearing. And it adds life to your helicopter bearings. So, but this is pretty much where we're at. Let me take a second. This is a spare rotor head. I'm going to bust the blade grip off, and I'm going to show you the bearing stack inside this blade grip. It only takes a second. So you're going to loosen these bolts on the end. There you go. And as I said, this bolt will get Loctite when you go to reassemble it. But I just want to show you, they have two radial bearings in each grip and a thrust bearing. Okay, there we go. Make sure the grip is empty. And so you got two radial bearings. You got two radial bearings, and then you're going to look in your instruction manual, and you're going to see the order that these thrust bearings go in. One diameter is larger than the other, but your manual will show you how these go on. And you're going to make sure that you install these washers and thrust bearings in the correct order. For demonstration purposes, I just wanted to show you what the inside of a blade grip looks like. This kit, this is a soft, I keep dropping stuff. This is a soft rubber damper that goes right here. And it goes right here, and you're going to thread lock these bolts because they thread into metal. You're going to thread lock this bolt, it threads into metal. But you know, this is the finished rotor head. This is what it should look like for a Pantera P6. And any questions, just write your comments at the bottom. I'll be glad to help you out if you need any advice. I've built one or two of these helicopters already, you know, and just wanted to say thank you for watching.